Hey everyone, if you want to set Vivaldi Browser as your default browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to make Vivaldi your default browser on Windows step by step. First, setting a default browser means every link you click will automatically open in Vivaldi instead of another browser like Chrome or Edge. Start by opening Vivaldi Browser on your PC. Now click the Vivaldi menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, search for Default Browser. Yeah, you will see an option that says Make Vivaldi Default. Now click the Make Default button. This will open your Windows default app settings. In Windows Settings, scroll down and set Vivaldi as the default for HTTP, HTTPS, and other web links. Once selected, Vivaldi is now your default browser. Yeah, all links will open in Vivaldi automatically. You can also set it directly from Windows Settings. Go to Apps, then Default Apps, and choose Vivaldi. If you're on Mac, open System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock or Default Browser, and select Vivaldi. Now test it by clicking any link from email or desktop. Yeah, it should open in Vivaldi. If Vivaldi doesn't stay as default, restart your PC or set it again from Windows Default Apps. For best experience, keep Vivaldi updated so it integrates properly with Windows default settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set Vivaldi Browser as default in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.